What's up, guys? I hope the audio sounds okay. I'm in a new helmet. I got it all set up, at least I think I do. I tested the mic placements a couple times. Hopefully it sounds okay and not too muffled. Or anyway, Saturday. The only good day it looks like it's going to be to ride this weekend because it's going to be raining the rest of it. So we're on our way to meet our buddy. And from there, don't know what the hell we're going to do, but we're going to figure out something. So sit back, strap in, and let's enjoy this ride.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
T-Mobile, bitches.
Everyone is, but they're in baseball games, they're in cookouts, they're at the lake, they're at the pool, they're camping, or they're out enjoying the beautiful day riding. I saw you guys ride past earlier and I'm like, well, what the hell, they didn't even stop? But I recognized the bikes. I'm like, I know who that is.
Is that a leader?
Thank you very much. Good. You? Well, a couple bells, I think. We gotta document this. I mean, he's not gonna not like it, right? I mean, come on.
I had a lady come in, I think beginning of this week. Three of them come in, two of them on dogs, one on the car. And the car got trouble, so they're getting the book. They called at 9 o'clock in the morning, and they're here at 9:30. Got the car started in. And they want,
So did he look more handsome, Amanda, on that bike?
It fits him better than that one. So.
He's gonna see this video.
Hey, fair enough. Handsome, there we go. What do you think?
This sounds so mean.
Dude, you look real, like, it looks like it fits you perfectly.
Yeah, it feels good.
Amanda said you look really handsome on it too.
I'm sure she did.
I asked her, I was like, just so you know, he's gonna see this video.
Okay. And they said they'd give me the case. Even though it's broke, they'd give it to me.
Did you look at it?
Yeah, I mean, it's fixable. And at least she'd have a backrest then.
beautiful.
The only issue is the rear brake pedal. If I get that moved forward a little, it'd be better.
I don't know if you get it moved forward without going like forward controls.
I know. I just like how it's all black underneath. Even the exhaust is black. It looks so good. I like the color. She likes the color.
It's got the 114.
Yeah.
That's what mine has.
Yep. I just like I was telling him, the feedback when you shift just sounds so good. Oh, and it's got a heated and cooled seat on it.
I don't necessarily care.
You don't want your butt cold in the summer?
Do you want your butt?
Yeah, I want my butt to feel cool in the
I
summer.
want icicles hanging off my stink star.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just
Alright guys, thanks for tagging along today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!